Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to update drivers in Windows 11. All right. So go ahead and go to your search bar and type in Device Manager. Now in here, just click on this Device Manager right here, which is from Control Panel. Click on it. Now I'm going to maximize this one. Let's say, for example, we wanted to update the display adapter, which is right here. I'm gonna click on the drop down. And as you can see here, NVIDIA GeForce RTX, which is my GPU, I'm going to right click on it. And as you can see, there's an available option, which is called Update Driver. Just go ahead and click on it. Down here, just click on Search Automatically for Drivers. All right. Now it says here, Windows has determined that the best drivers for this device is already installed. There may be better drivers on Windows Update or on the device manufacturer's website. So what it means is just, first, you're going to want to go to your search bar and type in System Updates. All right. Now, once the system setting pops up, just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Now, as you can see, if there are available updates, just go ahead and install all. All right. Or install one by one. It's up to you. Now, once you're done with this, just go ahead over to Advanced Options. Now, go to Optional Updates. Click on it. And you should be able to see a ton of updates right here, especially drivers. All right. Go ahead and install those. Once done, restart your computer and you're good to go. Another one is that it says like from the manufacturer website, right? Now, for example, that was my RTX 2060, right? So I'm using an NVIDIA graphics card. So what I'm going to do is just locate the NVIDIA app, right click on it on the taskbar. If you can't see it, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in NVIDIA. All right, as you can see, NVIDIA app is available. Just go ahead and click on Run as Administrator. There will be a pop-up. Just click on Yes. Now in here, as you can see, it is updating. All right. Now it's going to load. Once it loads, just close this one and go ahead over to the drivers tab. Now, as you can see, I've installed the latest drivers. If not, it will say here, install updates or update. Just go ahead and click on that, wait for the process to finish, restart your computer, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.